Good morning, Year 4. I hope you got on well yesterday with your column addition. Today we're moving on to column subtraction, and again this is a recap, so we've done it before, but we're going to remind you about some of the success criteria that we need when we're subtracting. Some of it is the same as adding, so we always start on the right hand side, ones under ones, tens under tens, hundreds under hundreds. We always have to write our subtraction symbol, so that is different to adding. And instead of carrying, we're going to borrow instead. So I'm going to show you how we can do that because that's quite tricky to explain. Remember, all these things are also on your lesson plan to remind you. Let's start with an easier one. So if we had 37 and I take away 12. Let's have a look at some of our success criteria. So I've got ones under ones, tens under tens. If you want to, you can write an O and a T there to remind you. I've got my subtraction symbol here, and I'm going to start on the right hand side, so that's this side here. 7 take away 2 is 5. 3 take away 1 is 2. The answer is 25. Now I don't need to borrow anything in this question. However, I'm now going to show you a question where we do need to borrow. Let's have a look. So I'm going to show you the number 42. And from 42 we are going to subtract 24. Now we've got some of our success criteria. We've got our ones under ones, we've got our tens under tens, I've got my subtraction symbol here, and I'm going to start on the right hand side, which is this side. 2 take away 4. Ooh, 2 take away 4. I can't do that. I can't take away 4 from 2, so I need to knock on the door. And I'm knocking on my 4 over here, and the 4 is going to become a 3. We're going to say thank you to the number 4 because he's lent us 10. So my 2 now becomes 12. 12 take away 4, I can do that, that equals 8. And I've now got 3 take away 2, which is 1. So the answer is 18. I hope you're still following. Now it can, again, just like with addition, it can get tricky when we've got a 3-digit number. So let's show you one with a 3-digit number. I've got 732, and I'm going to take away 243. Let's have a look at our success criteria. So we've got ones under ones, tens under tens, hundreds under hundreds. I'm using my subtraction symbol, and I'm going to start on the right hand side, which is here. 2 take away 3. Oh, I can't do that. I can't do 2 take away 3, so I need to knock on the door. And my 3 here is going to become a 2. And my 2 becomes a 12. So I've now got 12 take away 3, which is 9. And I've got 2 take away 4. Oh, I can't do 2 take away 4, so I'm going to have to knock on the door, this time on the hundreds. My 7 becomes a 6. The 2 becomes a 12, and now I've got 12 take away 4, which is 8, and I have 6 take away 2, which is 489. Now if you followed that one, very, very well done, because that was a tricky question. I'm going to give you 3 different activities that you can choose from today, and they're going to be different levels. Remember, if one's too tricky, maybe move down a level, or if your level that you've chosen is too easy, you can move up a level. Good luck!